Hey guys, it's your girl, Miss Ileane, and in today's video, I want to share with you a really exciting update to the Anchor podcasting app. This is an update that's going to benefit you as a listener or you as a podcaster. So that's what's coming up. So stay tuned because I really want you to hear this. So the latest update is an enhancement to a feature that we've already been able to take advantage of inside of the Anchor app. Now, for years, we've been able to leave each other messages right within the app. Well, the enhancement is that now anyone can leave a message for their favorite podcaster, and you can leave that message on any app that you're listening to the podcast, as well as from your desktop. So this is a really cool feature that's going to really put all of the podcasters and their listeners in much closer communication. So here is a demo of how to use this feature. Now I'm over on my friend Abe Martinez, his podcast page from Anchor over on desktop. And Abe Martinez is a really talented voiceover artist, and he also is a very creative artist. He runs something that's a community-driven event every Saturday. It's called #SingSongSaturday. #SingSongSaturday. And the reason why I wanted to use this as an example is the premise of Sing Song Saturday is that anyone can call in, and it doesn't matter if you know how to sing, if you know the words, if you're on key, if you're not on key, doesn't matter. But on Saturday, it's a community building event known as Sing Song Saturday. So in the past, I always had to leave my Sing Song Saturday contribution through the app. That was the only way I can do it. But now I'm so happy that I can contribute to my Sing Song Saturdays through the desktop. So here's how it works. You go over to the podcast and you'll click on send voice message. Now, when you're on desktop, it may pick the wrong microphone. You notice there it picked up as my Logitech Brio. Well, I don't want to use that. I'm going to use this mic that I'm on now, the ATR 2100, and you just make sure that you're using the right mic. And then you can go ahead and start your Sing Song Saturday or leave your voice message for your favorite podcaster. So here we go. I'm going to leave my Sing Song Saturday contribution for Abe. Sing a song. Sing it simple to last the whole day long. If I want to preview that recording, sing a song. Now, I actually don't like the way that turned out, but that's okay. Remember, Sing Song Saturday is about just having fun and singing with your pals. It's not about trying to do an audition for a recording contract, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and send this message. Now, I want you to see what it says there. We'll email you if this voice message gets published in a future episode of AM Radio. I just love that I was able to do this from desktop. It just makes it so much easier for me because I may even want to have the words to the song here right up on my computer as I'm leaving that message for Abe. And I just use this example of Sing Song Saturday, but any topic that you're passionate about, that you're listening to a podcast about, you want to go ahead and have your voice heard, contribute to that podcast. so that you can be part of the conversation. So this benefits the podcast and the podcast listener as well as the community. So go ahead and leave a voice message. You can do that for me as well over at anchor.fm/Ileane. So if you want to leave a voicemail for me to be included in my podcast, just go to anchor.fm/Ileane and click on the send voice message button, and we'll get it included in the next episode of the podcast. So with that, be sure that you're coming back for more of these tutorials, and I'd love to know what you think about this new feature and if you plan on using it. So I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye for now.